Hi friends, today we are here to discuss about a very common problem which is lumbar disc prolapse or commonly known as slip disc. So what are these discs? These discs are basically cushions in between your vertebral bodies which help in movement of the disc. They act as shock absorbers and help in maintaining the stability of the spine. It is precisely because of this continuous movement at the level of the disc that there occurs degeneration and then prolapse of the disc. Whenever there is a prolapse of the disc, the most common structure which gets affected or compressed is the exiting nerve root in the neural foramina because it lies exactly behind the disc. Luckily, most of this disc prolapse can be managed conservatively with medical management, adequate rest, and physiotherapy. The indications in which a surgical intervention is required in the cases of slip disc are severe pain in the lower back, which is radiating to one or both lower limbs, any form of neurological deficit, that is, weakness in any lower limb, foot, or toes, severe sensory disturbances in the form of tingling or numbness in the lower limbs, or a large disc fragment which is compressing the nerve root and seen on imaging, which is unlikely to recover with medical management. The aim of surgery in this sort of disc prolapse is to relieve the pressure of the compressed nerve roots, which ultimately helps in relief of symptoms. Previously, this was achieved through open surgery in which a large incision was taken over your back, the muscles were retracted, and laminectomy or removal of a large piece of bone from the posterior part of the vertebral bodies was done, and then ultimately the disc fragment was removed. Nowadays, with minimal invasive approaches, the same can be achieved with the help of endoscopes and microscopes through a minimal invasive approach. The advantages of these minimal invasive approaches are that there is a very small incision, there is very little muscle disruption, very little or no bony removal, and only the compressive elements are removed and the disc fragment is removed. The patient therefore can be mobilized very early, that is on the same day of surgery, and helps in faster recovery of the patient, and the patient can get back to his routine activities faster. So take care of your spine, do regular exercises, have a good diet, and maintain an active lifestyle. That's it for now. See you all guys next week in another informative video on the black fungus. Thank you.